This is an overview of HelloNote's Schedule Widget. What it does is it lets your patients book a schedule directly from your website. So imagine this is your website. And if you scroll down, we go to book an appointment, and there you would see the HelloNote Schedule Widget, which is linked to your HelloNote app. And from here, your patient can book an appointment. Now, by default, it is going to list your clinic and the available providers or therapists, and that a patient could also choose what type of visit that a patient would like to do. Now, I'll just select a demo location for this example, and then for provider, I'll pick one therapist. And then for the visit type, let's say I'm doing a follow-up. Now from here, the schedules that you could book would show in white, and then the ones that you cannot book anymore, meaning these are previous dates, it's all grayed out. So this says I could still book tomorrow, and the soonest possible time is 7 a.m., and then there are no other appointments for this therapist by that time. So I'll go at 7 a.m. And then I'll fill in the details, my name, last name, date of birth, and so on. Now that everything has been filled up, I'm going to submit this form. And if everything looks good, I'll click OK. And you'll get this notification indicating that your clinic has been notified of the appointment. Now let's go to the HelloNote app to confirm whether we're going to accept the booking or not. So let's get the schedule. And on your schedule page, you would see a bunch of notifications under waitlist queue and pending appointments. So click on it. And from here, you could approve or deny the appointment that was booked. So as you can see, we have the patient name here that booked for us on the 23rd at 7 a.m. And you have the option to approve this or deny this. So we're going to approve this appointment since we're available. And let's confirm. You would see a confirmation that it was approved, and let's save the changes. Now, if you don't see the schedule here, make sure that you have the correct filters. Make sure that you have the right clinic. If you have multiple locations, set the attendance to all, and set the visit type to all as well. And then on the provider dropdown, you can select the provider that you would want to view. And let's hit refresh schedule. And now that we've refreshed it, now you see that the patient is on your calendar. And that's how HelloNote scheduling widget works.